legit, the past couple days has been raining non-stop, which honestly I would be annoyed, but it's been so hot lately that just rain all day. I'll figure out how to film, just rain. This spot right here has such a nice echo. It's great. Alright, so here we are, another rainy day, another topic style video. If you're new here, my name is Danny. This is my Nissan 370Z, and a couple days ago I bought $1,300 headlights, or $1,100 headlights. Either way, is it worth it? Designated smoking area. Does that mean we can two-step? So before I get into anything, let's talk about the headlights, what they are, what the name is, what they bring, why they cost $1,300, $1,100. And why they are what they are. So these headlights came out actually like 3 to 4 months ago, and these are the first ever, I guess you could say, production customized headlights for the Nissan 370Z. So everybody was very, very excited, very hyped about them. And to be honest, I kind of wasn't. I wasn't really excited, and I didn't really like the design that much. But as I saw them actually on Z's, and I kept watching unboxing videos and install videos on them, I fell in love with them. Okay, I really want to put this clip in the beginning of the video because I really like just talking with you guys in the comment section. So right now, comment down below, do you rather spend money on cosmetics or engine stuff? So personally, me, I enjoy cosmetics a lot more than engine stuff, because doing little things to the engine just doesn't really excite me. I'd rather just go boom on the engine. Not literally, I don't want it to blow up, but you know what I mean by boom. Like, just tune, not gonna do anything else. Next thing I do to the engine is going to be a Terpski, which is the goal for the end of 2020. Nissan problems. Okay, I got it. These are the stock headlights that the Nissan 370Z platform came with throughout every single year. The only thing that has changed is the newer versions, the housing is black. As you can see, I did the housing black myself, so I mean, it's pretty much the same thing. And in the inside on this one, as you can see, it's completely different. It has this really weird 3 LED design, which are 3 bi-LED projectors, which are much, much, much better than stock. Then right here, this whole strip on the side, on the OEM is just a line, but on these, they actually modified it to be a DRL that runs 5K LEDs. What are 5K LEDs? I have no idea. This out. DRLs, normal lights, high beams, normal lights, DRLs, normal lights, high beams. It's freaking good. So I've actually had these on for a couple days, and I've actually driven it at night, daytime, everywhere. So I feel like my opinion is pretty valuable. So with that known, let's talk about why I upgraded. Also, quick note, I already made an install video like I said, so go ahead and watch that if you haven't already. I'm gonna put a top link in the description, but if you already watched that, I'm gonna go through the features again. So honestly, they're pretty cool, so it's not that bad. First, we're gonna start with just the regular DRL, which are extremely bright. Oh my gosh. I just realized how bright these were. So these 2 LED strips at the top are gonna be on at all times as long as your ignition is on. The lights do not have to be on, just the ignition. So even during the daylight, these are gonna be on. So that's so freaking sick. I love these. And I'm also waiting for my DRLs at the bottom, so it's gonna look insane. So as you can see, at night, the 3 LEDs turn on. These little side marker turns on as well, and the LED does stay on. I honestly love this look. It reminds me of like an alien, or like if you play League of Legends, Master Yi. I already said that before. I don't know why. I just think of Master Yi. Blinkers. It's got freaking sequential blinkers. This is honestly my favorite part. It just looks so freaking good, dude. He's got freaking sequential, bro. Honestly, and then it goes perfect with my taillights. This is just amazing. So it's like sequential. Just ignore that, and then it goes right into sequential. I absolutely just love. This is probably my favorite feature about the whole headlight, honestly. But if you don't like this, you can actually change it so the strip just kind of lights up. So those are all the features. I mean, it's headlights. They can't like get out of the car and run away. Like, it's just headlights. They're just gonna switch colors and be sequential and just cool. But why did I buy these bad boys? Ugh. That's not gonna stay. Either way, so here's the thing. Yo, ever just think about what if your phone just falls in there? Or if something comes out of there. These were the headlights I had on the car 86 hours ago. Keep this in mind. Keep it in mind, keep it in mind, keep it in mind. They're yellow, outdated. Yes, I have really nice LEDs in them, so the lighting was very, very good, but they're yellow. I know what you're gonna say, Danny, why did you not just clean up the lens, sand it, polish it, use it clear? If you look throughout my channel, I think I've made at least like 3 to 4 videos of me cleaning my headlights, and that's on camera. I've cleaned these headlights off camera at least 6 to 8 times. And they always end up like this. Doesn't matter what clear I use. So that's basically why I don't want these anymore. Now, if we talk about build quality, honestly, build quality is pretty much the same. These are OEM, the plastics are good. The only reason why they get yellow like this is these headlights are from 2009. That's what happens when you go from really nice quality 300ZX glass headlights to plastic headlights. And one thing I never understood, my twin turbo 300ZX has really nice blacked out glass headlights, the same headlights that the Diablo stole from us. Either way, why did we go from glass to plastic? I know it's probably production money, they want to spend less, but Nissan, you freaking got us out here spending like $1,300, $1,100 on freaking headlights, bro. Like, what's good? Another thing that headlight does that this one doesn't is this one does not have daytime running lights, does not have sequential LEDs, doesn't have LEDs. It actually comes with halogen bulbs, so those are kind of outdated. Ooh, also, so when you unlock the car, lights are supposed to like blink or something like that. Unlock, come on, lock, come on. Dude, come on. To bring those headlights back to life is just so much work, so that's why it was worth it for me. And because I just really like the design of these. Is it worth $1,300 or $1,100 or $900, or if you buy them used, even less? If you have the stock headlights and you have like little modifications like the halos on them, or you have like LED strips on the inside and they look nice, I don't know if it's really worth it that much. Because I mean, I feel like you're buying these because, bro, we're vlogging over here, my dude. We're vlogging. Oh, that's it. I mean, honestly, in my opinion, you're really buying these for the 3 LEDs and how just new it looks. Like, I feel like these are gonna last a very long time without yellowing or anything. So I mean, if you don't want to go through the trouble of having yellow headlights and constantly getting hosed for having yellow headlights, 100% go ahead and get these headlights. You can probably sell your old headlights for a good amount of money and you wouldn't have to spend the full amount for these headlights. But if your stock headlights look pretty clean, you don't mind modifying them, you don't mind just taking care of them, I guess, then I don't really know if it's worth it buying these. Like, yes, I love the design, I love it and everything, but like, if your headlights are already nice, I don't know. You have to be a fan of the design, which you can't really get. But with that said, those are my 2 cents. I don't want to make this video very long, but I do want to kind of do a review on it. I absolutely love them. Very happy with my purchase. Highly recommend them to you guys, but if you don't want to spend that amount of money on lights, then don't go for it. My camera almost fell. Put it into your engine, gain an extra 20 horsepower, beat some V8s, or I don't know what car you drive, so I don't know if you can beat some V8s. Because if you are a V8, you can probably, I don't know what I'm saying. With that said, I'm gonna go ahead and end off today's video. Be sure to smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new here. We're trying to get to 100K by the end of the year. And guess what? We're gonna do it. Peace out. I'm gonna go home now. Love you guys. And as always, hasta luego. If you made it this far, comment down below. Tripod.